Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to set up VPN on any device. To start, we're going to be showing you how you can do this on your Windows device. As you can see, we have our Microsoft Store open already, and all we'll need to do here is to search for VPN. Of course, if you have a preferred VPN, you could search for exactly what you have right there. And we could say VPN Nord, and this will provide a NordVPN option. And you could scroll for it, or you could go to your web browser to find it. You also have Surfshark. So there are different examples you could look for. Here you have Surfshark, and other options are available. Now, this is the easier method, but if you want to have a more manual method, you can go over to your Windows button, click on it, and type in VPN. And this will bring up some options. As you can see here, we have a Proton VPN already, but this is just among the apps option. Now, under settings, you have VPN settings, add a VPN connection, and advanced VPN options. We're going to click on VPN settings, and then right here under network and internet, you have VPN and VPN connections. Click on add VPN, and then here you'll need to fill in the correct information depending on what you want to do. So this is for more tech-savvy users, but if you don't want the hassle of it, you can go ahead and choose the option to download a VPN on your device. Now the same could be applied to your mobile device. All you'll need to do is to go over to settings, and under settings you have the search option. You can click on the search VPN, and then here you have under network and internet, you can tap on VPN, then you can tap on it again down here. And as you can see, we have added something already, which is an app, but at the top right corner, you have the plus icon there. You can tap on it. And here, just like on your Windows PC, you can put in the details manually of the VPN profile you wish to add. If this option seems too difficult, you can simply go over to your Play Store and download a VPN app. As you can see, we have a WinScribe as our search, and you can see WinScribe VPN. All you need to do is to install it, and you will have your VPN set up. And all you need to do is to open your WinScribe, toggle the power button on, and your VPN will be active. So whether it's your PC or your mobile device, this is how you can set up a VPN on any device. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.